Today we are going to perform experiment number 19 to perform and report identification test on given sample of promethazine hydrochloride as per IP. The requirement for the experiment is test tube, Thiel's tube, capillary. Chemicals required are alcohol, chloroform, ether, nitric acid, potassium dichromate, sulfuric acid, diphenyl carbazide solution, etc. Now here first we should know the description. The description of the compound, that is, the drug is available as white or faintly yellowish crystalline powder. In case of solubility, we have to check the solubility in different solvents like water, alcohol, chloroform and ether. The drug is very soluble in water, freely soluble in chloroform, alcohol and practically insoluble in ether. Next we have to perform the identification test. This test I will explain while performing the actual test. So here you can see that the compound is available as a crystalline powder which is having a white color and odorless. Now next is we have to check it for the solubility. First we are going to check the solubility in water. So here in test tube I have taken a small amount of compound and going to pour water. You can see that the drug is very soluble in water. Solubility in alcohol. In alcohol also the drug is very soluble. You can see that the drug is soluble in alcohol. Next is we have to check the solubility in case of chloroform. This is the chloroform solvent. You can see that the drug is freely soluble in chloroform. And lastly, we have to check the solubility in case of the diethyl ether. The drug is insoluble in ether. So you can see that here the drug is insoluble. See that at the bottom you can see that the drug is insoluble in ether. Next we are going to perform the identification test. For this test we have to take 0.1 gram of the drug in a test tube and add few ml of water. Then add nitric acid dropwise. A precipitate is produced which dissolves rapidly to give a red solution which becomes orange and then yellow. If we heat the solution to boiling, the same solution will becomes orange and orange red precipitate is produced. So here in a test tube I am going to take this compound. After that we have to add water, okay, and nitric acid dropwise. You can see that here the precipitate is forming which is having slightly reddish coloration. You can observe. Okay. When you add more and more nitric acid, I am adding it dropwise, therefore there is a gradual development of red coloration. So now I am going to heat it. So you can see the change in color. The color has become orange now, which is going to turn yellowish. Okay, see. So we can say that this test is complies. We have to take 0.1 gram of drug and to that add 0.2 gram of potassium dichromate and 1 ml of sulfuric acid. Place a filter paper strip moistened with diphenyl carbazide solution over the mouth of the test tube. The paper turns violet red. So in this test tube I have taken few milligram of compound. Now I am going to add this potassium dichromate. This is the potassium dichromate and 1 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. So here I am going to pour it into it, dilute sulfuric acid and solution over the test tube.
अजून काय मेल्टिंग पॉइंट.
The melting point of the drug was found to be near 222 degrees centigrade. So again it confirms that the given sample is of promethazine. The result, the given sample of promethazine hydrochloride complies the test A, B, C. So for the identification test, all the tests here given are complies. The promethazine hydrochloride is used as a histamine receptor antagonist and anti-emetic. Structure for the promethazine is